For this recipe, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay, 1 tablespoon of spirulina, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Add 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. Add 1 tablespoon of marshmallow root powder. It's completely optional, but I like to add 1 tablespoon of coconut manna to this recipe. If you don't have that, you can add 1/2 tablespoon of shea butter or 1/2 tablespoon of cocoa butter. Also add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. You can use any oil in this recipe. I like olive oil because it gives it a little bit more shine and gloss, but use your favorite. The key to this recipe is not using water, not even distilled water. You can mix it with flaxseed gel, lemon juice. I like to mix it with lemon juice. And I know what you're thinking, I put apple cider vinegar in it, it might be too acidic. It's really not. You're not using that much apple cider vinegar. That's really to kind of activate your clay. But with this lemon juice, it kind of gives it a freshness, but it also helps to clarify and even lighten your hair. So it's wonderful to add in. If you don't want to use that, you can use grapefruit juice, you can use coconut water, you can use aloe vera juice. I like to mix this recipe with flaxseed gel or even aloe vera gel if you have that. But play with this recipe. Thanks for watching. For this and all the recipes mentioned in this video, visit lavishingnatural.com/spirulina.